Here, Eclipse ready with my Eclipse earrings on and well, it's actually a New Year's cup, but it looked like Eclipse-ish. And I'm trying to find the sun. I think it's over there. But anyways, I saw this thing on Instagram and I really wanted to share it with you because I thought, wow, it put things into perspective. So here it is. Sometimes something so small can appear big enough to cover up something that's much larger. And so much power in the distance and the perspective that today's eclipse is really gonna to see, right? The moon is so much smaller than the sun, but it's covering something up. But if you're at the right angle, if you're at the right perspective, you can or can't see it, which makes complete sense in so many things that we do in our business life. And so with that, to keep in mind that things aren't always as big or as little as they seem. Our perspective is everything, my friends. We have to step back a little and give ourselves the opportunity to take a look at the shadow, not just at the light, because there's learning in that. There's so much we can take away from that. So I wish you a great day. Enjoy the solar eclipse. I'm by my lonesome trying to find the sun, but I hope you enjoy it and have a great one. I hope I'll see you all tomorrow.